Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be changing the rear drive oil on this BMW R1150 RT. Some tools you're going to be needing are a 19mm wrench and a 6mm Allen. So getting started, we're going to be using just a little cup underneath our rear drive and then using our 19mm wrench to loosen up the drain bolt on the bottom of the rear drive. Just like every drain bolt, you're going to want to replace the crush washer and make sure you do not double crush washer it. A lot of times those crush washers like to stick to the sealing surfaces on the rear drive on the bottom there. And then this drain plug is magnetic, so having a little bit of kind of very fine metal bit build up there is 100% normal and nothing to worry about. Now that this has finished draining, we're going to reinstall our drain plug after we've cleaned off our magnet with a fresh crush washer. Our rear drive fill is right here, and that is a 6mm Allen. So now with 75-140 gear oil, we'll just fill this up until it spills out, similar to our transmission. This is just a spill to fill. So you can see right there, it just started to come out. So right there, we're at the top of our threads. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please check the links in the description. Otherwise, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a safe ride.